nice Indian. Beamer, Ducati Super Sport. Let's see what else we got here. SF 750.
Huh?
SF 750. One of the best engines ever made. All needle bearing. All needle bearing. This was a company that made combines only. You know what combines? Pulling crops. They were farm equipment. Yeah, but all needle bearings in the whole motor.
Is that gonna
last forever?
Yeah, is that gonna do a lot of money?
No. 10 grand. But that motor will never stop running. Never. Indestructible motor, man. Full needle bearings, top to bottom.
Yeah.
Nice jelly mold. They're just artwork, man. Jelly mold tanks. They're just crazy, man. Tanks, it's a crazy shit. They really did. They just wanted to hold a little bit more gas. So we gotta push it out a little bit, get some more gas in there.
Yeah. There must have been something that's strapped on there.
Yeah, for your directions.
For your what?
For GPS, a map.
Is this old?
62.
58.
58. Yeah, the same. 58 to 62. 63 actually they changed. I think. There's another one here.
You like these kind of bikes?
I like sport bikes. I'm a big sport bike guy. I like doing 160.
Yeah.
Look at this jelly mold with the chrome. It's a pretty bike, man. It's a pretty bike. These are actually still rideable bikes. They got enough power. You can still ride them on modern day roads.
Yeah.
But this one's got good suspension. They made some that didn't. You know. I like all bikes, man. So
Me both. I want them all too.
I like all bikes, man. All right, let's go upstairs. I gotta get something to eat and drink.
All right, I gotta go see them.
So here's that Minneapolis bike, actually made in the city of Minneapolis, and it is very, very cool, because you know nothing's made in Minneapolis anymore. It's definitely cool. The original logo is still on there. Minneapolis. Very cool. Cyclone, St. Paul, Minnesota. $19.15 when they still made stuff in St. Paul, Minnesota. And I'm going to show you another bike that was made in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We'll see what it brings when it gets up on stage. But it's cool.
Bezel driven overhead valves.
Yeah. They don't make shit in St. Paul anymore. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, this is the first one of these I've seen that hasn't been over-restored.
Right.
You got, you know, polished out, nickel-plated. They left it.
I like this bike.
Yeah. It's got a little bit of an oil leak going on somewhere. What do you think it'll go for?
130.
You think so?
Yeah, it's a little bit, mostly the ones that are more highly polished go for 130, maybe a little less.
I don't like it when they're over-restored. I like the Scots.
Yeah, I know. You've always liked Scott.
I just think they were ahead of their time, man. Yeah. Water cool, two-stroke. Come on.
FLH 1200 Bicentennial. Out of 10, I'm going to get a search result here. I'm going to get a 30-pound bid. I'm going to get a 30 down, 20 down. I'm going to get a 10 pounds of bid. It's 10, and I'm 10. I'm going to get a 10 here. I'm going to get a 10 down. I'm going to get a 10. I'm going to get a 10. I'm going to get a 10. 5,000, 7,000, and 5, 7, 6, 7, and 7 pound bid. I'm going to get 7 here down, 8 down, 8 down, 9 pound bid. And 9, and I'm going to get down. I'm going to get 9,000 or down. I'm going to get 9,000, 8,000, 9,000 bid. 8 bid. I'm going to get 9 here, 8 down. I'm going to get down, 85 bid, 85 down, 8,000, 85 bid. I'm going to get 85. I'm going to get 85 bid.
bike.
85, 9,000
That's
bid,
why.
85, 95, 95, 95, and 9 down, 5, 95, 95, reserves on 9,005, and 95 bid, 95, I'm getting a little bit 9 here, 95, 95, you have you guys, a little bit 95 bid, 9,005, and 5 here, 95, I'm getting a little 5 here, 9 bid, 95, last call, and 9,000 bid, I'm getting a little 95, 9,500, I'm getting easy, George, 95 bid, and I'm getting a little 5, 9,500, sold 9,000, sold 9,000.
It's not bad, man.
And now
Got all the money.
76 Harley Davidson FX
76
Super Glide by Centennial.
Super Glide. Let's see what it brings.
Please, $25,000 down. I'm going to go 25 here. I'm going to go 20 down, 10. And I'm going to go 10 down. You get that. I'm going to go 10 here by saying down. I'm going to go 5,000, 6,000, and 5, 6,000 bid. And I'm going to go 5 down, 6 here. I'm going to go 6 here down, 7 up top, down 7 up there, down $8,000 bid. 8, 9, 9,000 third. I'm going to go
Wow,
9,000
I'm shocked,
bid.
man.
$9,000 10. Internet's out. 9, 10. Now 11,000 bid. I'm going to go 5, 11, 10.
Last year, they weren't bringing any money.
13,000 bid.
It's actually a nice bike, though.
I'm going to go 12. I'm going to go 15,000. 14,000 bid. And 14, 15. I'm going to go 15,000. At 15, 15, 15, 15. I'm going to go 16 reserves on. At 15, 16. I'm going to go 15, 16 bid. At 15, I'm going to go 16,000 down. I'm going to go 15,000. 16 pound bid. At 15, I'm going to go 16, 15. Here to the 16 pound here. Last call. At 15 bid. I'm going to go 16. I'm going to go see that Drake 16 bid. At 16, I'm going to read the tag from there. 16, I'm going to have sold 15, sold 15,000 Lord's
That
Way.
was good. Someone got his money for that.
67, Chris will take one. A 76 Harley Davidson Sportster XLH 1000 by Centennial. There's a nice little Sportster here down. I'm going to go 20,000 down. I'm going to go
No way.
same here 10. And now I'm going to go 10. I'm going to go 10 down 4,000 down 5,000 bid. And 4, 5 bid. And down 5 here. I'm going to go 5 down 5. I'm going to go 5 here. I'm going to go 5. 6,000 down 5. It's on the internet. 6,000. I'm going to go 6,000. 7,000. That's out. And 7 bid. I'm going to go 6 here. I'm going to go 7 pound bid. And 7 here. I'm going to go 7 pound bid. I'm going to go 600. I'm going to go 7,000.
It's clean, though. It's nice.
I'm going to go 16, 5 here. 6,000.
Nice unmolested bike.
6 here. I'm going to go 5 bid. 6,000. 5 in the bid. And I'm going to go down 7. 16, 5. Dirt 7 in the bid. 16, 5. 7,000. And I'm going to go 7 down. I'm going to go 7 down. Down 7. 16, 5 bid. 7, 5. And 5 down 7 down 5. And I'm going to go 5 bid. Down 7 down 5. I'm going to go 5 down 7 bid. 7,500. It's 5. I'm going to go 5 here. I'm going to go 7. I'm going to go 5 down 7 down 5. And I'm going to go 5 down 8 pound. 8 pound bid. I'm going to go 75 big bid. And 75 down 8,000 bid. I'm going to go 75 down.
Wow, let's bring in all the money, man. For sporty. 7,500 bucks.
Now I'll bring.
Pretty nice Vincent. Not over restored. Like it. Not over restored, kind of a little crusty here and there. Kind of perfect. RG 500, 86, I believe. This one's been over restored, over polished. HRD. It's nice though. 49 Vincent. Yeah, comprehensive restoration by Keith Martin, but did a little too much polishing. I always had an issue with these bikes, with this space under the seat. It just looks like they missed something. Always bugged me. Look at this thing. Henderson 4. It's pretty sweet. Total over restoration though. But Knuck? Yep, knucklehead trike, man. You see that every day. There's my Laverta. I have this same bike. Good bikes. Well built. I'll have to see what this brings so I know what mine's worth. Let's see what we got here. Little set truckster. Nice Norton. Another nice single Norton. I like the single Nortons better than any of the other ones. There's a little Honda like this sitting around here that has a CBX motor stuffed in it. Another nice Harley race bike. Trusty, original, untouched Ducati, man. This is really untouched. Super Sport, original exhaust right there. Nice and crusty, man.
bought the camp in his living room.
Nice and crusty.
Like, why is this bike in your living room? He's like, yeah,
But what do you do with it? Yeah, do you restore it or do you leave it? That's the question. I'd have to restore it because I don't know. Be a hard call.
still looks like it.
Okay, I hope these bring big money for the family, man.
24. The family is on the stage with him. This is the first one, F214.
They're
It is
cool
a
bikes.
1969 BSA Triumph, Rob North Special. No, sold on a bill of sale.
Thank you, Bob. I'll get a little bit of on top here, down. I'll get a little 15, 15. I'll get a little 15. I'll get a little 30 bid, 30,000. 30 bid, 30 bid. I'll get a little 20. Who get 10,000 others to start at 10 a bid? Who get 10,000 a bid? Get 10 here, 12 bid, 10 a bid, $12,000. Hit 10. I'll get a little 12,000 bid, 15, 15. I'll get a little 17,000. Hit 17, 17. I'll get a little 17 bid. I'll get a little 15, 17, 20 bid. Next way. And I'll get a little 20 down, 20 bid, 20. I'll get a
They
little
told me they got a 50,000 reserve on each one. They won't bring that. I doubt it, but I've been surprised here before. Good money, man. They should lift their reserve. Lift their reserve, man. Lift it. It's good money, man. Good money.
Reserves up closer, 45,000 in black cells. Hit 42, 45,000. Hit 2 here, 5. I'm getting a little 5 and 5. I'm getting a little 45 down. Hit 2 bid. I'm getting a little 5 down. 42, 45 hands 5 here, 2 down 5. And I'm getting a little 3, 43,000.
Really good price.
43, not half, 43,000 in last call. Hit 42, $43,000 and it is. You bid there, buddy? 43, I'll get a bit of a 3. Sold 42, sold $42,000 next one.
Good.
Now I'll bring up 215.
I'm glad they lifted the reserve because it wouldn't have brought
This was
50.
Rob's only street bike he ever built and one of his personal bikes. It's F215. It's a 2000 Triumph Rob North Special.
That man, folks, I'll get a bit of a
That's the
15.
cool bike too, man.
15, I'll get a bit of a 15. I'll get a bit of a 15.
All handmade aluminum bodywork, tanks all aluminum.
12 bid. I'll get a bit of a 10,000. I'll get a bit of a 12,000 bid. Hit 10, 12, 15. 15 down 17. I'll get a bit of a 17 down bid. I'll get a bit of a 20 down 20 bid. 20,000 down. I'll get a bit of a 20 down 17. 20 bid. Hit 20,000 bid. I'll get a bit of a 20 down. I'll get a bit of a 20. How about that, folks? 20,000 bid. Hit a bit of 20. At 20 bid. I'll get a bit of a 20 down. I'll get a bit of a 2 down 2. I'll get a bit of a 20 pair 2. Hit 2. I'll get a bit of a 2 down bid. I'll get a bit of a 20. I'll get a bit of a 22,000 bid. Down 2. Down 2. Get a bit of a 2 down 2. Down 20 bid. 22,000. At 20 bid. I'll get a bit of a 2 down. I'll get a bit of a 2 down bid. 20 bid. 22 down 5 here 5. Now 5. I'll get a bit of that 5. I'll get a bit of a 5 here bid. 25. Hit 5 here. I'll get a bit of a 5 down 5 down 5 down 5. I'll get a bit of a 5 down 7 here. I'll get a bit of a 7. At 27 pound bid. I'll get a 27,000. 30,000 bid. On the bike, we're off the lock here. 30,000 bid. I'll get a 30 down 2. At 32 bid. 32,000 out of 5 here. 35 bid. At 5 here. You want 5 in there. I'll get a bit of a 35,000. At 35 bid. Get 2 in the back. Get a bit of a 5 here. I'll get a bit of a 35 bid. 33. At 32. 33,000 bid. At 32. Down 3 here. 3. I'll get a bit of a you want back in here. I'll get a bit of 33 bid. At 2. I'll get a bit of a 3. I'll get a bit of a 3 bid. 32. 3. And I'll get a bit of a 3 down bid. I'll get a bit of a 3 here. Down 2. Down 3. Down 2. Down 3. And I'll get a bit of a 3 bid. 32. 33. Down 2. I'll get a bit of a 3. 32. You want that? I'll get a bit of a 3. 33 next. You want it? 33,000 bid. Get 32. 33. 32. 33 bid. 33 bid. I'll get a bit of a 3. Down 2. Down 3. Down it is. I'll get a bit of a 33,000. You want to get 33? 33,000 down 34.
They should lift the reserve.
33, 34,000, 33, 34, 33, 34,000 bid. Get 33 bid, 34.
Lift the reserve, man.
Support 34,000 bid. 33,
Kill the reserve.
34,000 for it. 34,000 to get 35,000 bid. Get 34 back. 35. We're still live. 35,000 bid. 34, 35,000. That's your turn. 35 bid. Get 34, 35,000 bid. 34, 35. 35,000. Enter in the monitor. I'll get a bit of a 5, 34, 35,000. And down 5 bid. I'll get a bit of a 5 to 5. I'll get a bit of a 35. I'll get a bit of a 5. 35 bid. I'll get a bit of 34, $35,000. 34 to bid. 35,000 to bid. I'll get a bit of a 5 down. 35 and I'm down. 35. I'll get a 33, 35,000. And it'll get 35. On with the internet wherever she's at. I'm sorry, Megan, 33, 35, ran right over you. 33? Yes, we got 33 in there. At 35,000. 33 to bid. 35. 33 to bid. You want to get 34?
Left the reserve, man.
33, 34,000 to bid. 33 is the current bid. Folks, I think that bike should have a sticker on it here with it. And it will. Reserve is hot. 33 is the bid. 34. Nick, 34,000 bid. Sir, if you want the other one, $34,000. If you're going to do it, 34,000. If you're not bidding, quit moving. 34, 33, 34,000, 33, 34, corn on half, 34,000. Sold 33, sold 33,000.
There you go, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's Trent and Nick.
Up north.
From the Richard V. Butt collection is lot F216 and 1954 Vincent Black.
Okay,
Sale.
it's the bike I wanted to
Yeah,
see.
I'm going to be
It's really great.
I'm going to be
DKW.
30, 20, 10 pound pair, 10. And I'm going to be 10 pair, I'm going to be 10's got a beard, I'm going to be 10 down 10, I'm going to be 10,000 bid. And 10, 12, 10 and 12,000 bid. And 10, 12, 10's bid. I'm going to be 12,000 bid. I'm going to be 10 here, 12. And I'm going to be 12 down 15,000, 17 bid. And 15, I'm going to be 17, 17. I'm going to be 15, I'm going to be 17,000. And 17 bid. I'm going to be 15. I'm going to be 17. I'm going to be 17 bid. In 17, I'm going to be 17, 15,000 bid. I'm going to be 17,000 now. And 15, give us a 16,000 bid. 15, 16. And Kirky got I'm going to be 15, 16 bid. At 15, I'm going to be 16, 15,000, 16,000.
It's pretty, man. It's a shiny bike.
Down 17,000. Down 17,000. Down 17,000. 16, 17 bid.
16.5.
I'm going to be 17. I'm going to be 16. I'm going to be 17, 17 bid. And I'm going to be 17, 17. I'm going to be 16. I'm going to be 17 bid. And 17. I'm going to be 17. Down 20. Down 20. I'm going to be 18. Down 20 bid. And 18, 20 bid.
20 grand.
Down 20. And 19 bid. 20 bid. I'm going to be back on the block. 21. And down 1 bid. 1 here. 1 down 2.
20.
Hit 2 down 2. I'm going to be 2. I'm going to be sometime. The reserve is on. 22.
21.
3. Now 3. And I'm going to be 3 down 3.
22.
I'm going to be 3 down 2 down 3. And I'm going to take the pill earlier. I'm going to be 3. I'm going to be 3. And I'm going to be 3 down 2 down 3. I'm going to be 23 bid. 22. 23,000. Sold 22. Sold
22 grand, man.
Now I'll bring
Crazy.
F-137 on.
One here, not gonna be one down, 21,000 here, 31,000. Here, one here, one, not gonna be one down, 21,000.
I'm shocked at how much this is bringing, man.
One down, 21,000. Last call, 30 minutes, 21,000 bid. Here, one, I'm gonna be one down, I'm gonna be 30. I'm gonna be one down, close at 30,000. And close at $30,000.
Now I'll bring F-135, a 61 Express Cavalier
This is the bike
115
I want to see.
Sold on a bill of sale here, down first time here, not gonna be here, 30.
Wow, I wonder why it's a bill of sale only.
Down 10, and a 10 here, 12. I'm gonna be 10
It's
bid, 12 here,
beautiful.
I'm gonna be 12. I'm gonna be 12 down to 15,000. And 15, I'm gonna be 16, 15 bid, 16,000. Hit 15, I'm gonna be 16,000. I'm gonna be 15 bid, I'm gonna be 16. And 15 bid, I'm gonna be 16, 16 pound here, 15,000, 16,000 bid. Hit 15, I'm gonna be 16. I'm gonna be 16 here, I'm gonna be 15 here, 16,000. And 15 bid, and 16 bid, 16. I'm gonna be looking here, 15,000 bid, 16,000 is our last call. It
is beautiful, man.
15, 16 bid, and 16.
DKW Express.
I'm gonna be 16. I'm gonna be 16. Close to the 15. And close to the 15. About 10 grand shy.
Now I'll bring F-135.1, a 1928
Didn't sell.
Marvel 200.
Reserve was
There's
higher.
I'm gonna be able to get back there down. I'm gonna be able to get 40 bid.
See what the Husqvarna twin sells for.
I'm gonna be 30. I'm gonna be 30 down 10. I'm gonna be 12.
Got a flat tire.
12 bid. And I'm gonna be 10 here. I'm gonna be 12. I'm gonna be 10. I'm gonna be 12 down 10. And 12,000 bid. Hit 10. Go 12 here. I'm gonna be 12. I'm gonna go 12 here.
I'd pay 12 for that bike.
Hit 15 down 17. I'm gonna be 20 down bid. 20 back there. You have 20,000. Hit 17. 20. Take it 5. Hit 2 down 2.
It's at 20
here,
now.
I'll get 2 up here. Sorry, down 5. And I'm gonna be 25. 25 down. Get a bit of 5 down. Get a 22 up here. 5. Hit 5. I'm gonna be 5 down 5. I'm gonna be 25 bid. Hit 5. I'm gonna be 2 to 5. 3 out there. 4. I'm gonna be 3 down 4. That's 23 bid. 24. Hit 3 down 4. 4. Internet you sold. I'm gonna be 23. 24. Hit 3. I'm gonna be 4 down 4. I'm gonna be 3. I'm gonna be 4 down 23 bid. 24. Hit 3 down 4. I'm gonna be 3. I'm gonna be 4 down 3 down 4 bid. 3 down 4. At 23. I'm gonna move there back 3 down 4. I'm gonna be 23. 24,000 bid. Hit 3 down 4 here. Last call going. I'm gonna be 3 to 4 down half. I'm gonna be 24,000. Reserves on. Good call. I'm gonna be 3 4 down 4 4 3. I'm gonna be 4. You sold that 24 4 5. What's he waiting on? 5 and 5 6 higher. Hit 5 down 6 here. I'm gonna be 26,000 down a bid. I'm gonna be 5 down 6 here. 26,000. And I'm gonna be 5 down 6. 26. Thank you. Now 7. What do you mean no? 27. 26 man. 27. 7 bid. I'm gonna be 7 here. I'm gonna 7.
It's a cool bike, man.
Now 28. Now 29. 29,000. That one more time stuff don't mean much here. 29,000 a bid. 20 top sold 30,000. 30,000 a bid. 30. 32, not get a bit of a 2, 32,000, 32. You want to get 31, 31,000 a bid, 31. And now pawn, 2, here, 32. Hit 2, down 3, not get a bit of a 3, not 3, not get a bit of a 2, not get a bit of a 3.
Wow.
33,000, sir.
Climbing up,
33,
man.
come that far, 33. 32, down 3, 32, not get a bit of a 3. Thank you, Mike, not get a bit of a 2, 3. Sold 32,000 ounces.
32,000.
Bring up 130.
But it's cool.
61 big.
Naked CBX 79. Cool custom Cowie 1000. Pretty well done, tastefully done with it. I like that they used the old badges. But now only 500 Quattro, but I see a lot of issues. No pinstripe, no unoriginal paint, no airbox.
Yeah, they are at heart of motorcycle history. You know,
I think that instrument cluster is off of the 900. Same with the controls. These are all off the 900 later model. Still cool, just not a correct bike.
and when you either think of a Harley, take a picture, and then go, that's a motorcycle. Just make it, yeah. And there's
But it's still cool. A lot of bikes being sold today. Nice Rickman Triumph right there. It's kind of cool. I dig that. That's a cool bike. BSA. Oh, this is real nice. Douglas Dragonfly. Pretty sweet. Triumphs, it's really reasonable right now, man. You can buy them at a good price. Board track show bike. A lot of board track show bikes around anymore. I don't understand the appeal of them. It's just a piece of art. I want to ride bikes. Let's look at some dirt bikes. Awesome bike right there, KX250. Another awesome bike, CR480. That's a screamer right there. Nicely done. Taco. Thought Dave from Bullpen Cycles was going to be here, but I haven't seen him. I did see him post yesterday on Facebook, so I didn't text him because I don't think he's going to be here. No, he had some snow issues. Norton Commando. Someone put a lot of work into it. A little overdone for my taste, but everyone has their own thing, man. Square 4 aerial. Early one. Before they had fixed the overheating problem. Alright guys, I'm going to move to another room, but I'll keep shooting. Okay. Look at that beauty. Nickel plated. Cowie 750 triple. KZ 1000. Cowie 750 triple. Cowie 500 triple. GT 750. There's one of those tourist trophy Hondas that they brought out. Another KZ 900. 400 triple. 250 triple. Pretty bike, nice paint. Little Honda. Honda SL90. I always dug that exhaust, the way they did the exhaust. Moto Campo. Fold it up, put it in the trunk of your car, and ride away when your car breaks down. Oh, there's a Benelli Volcano. The biggest CC highway legal mini bike ever made. 180 cc's. And it is highway legal. You can ride it on any interstate in the United States. Be scary, but you can do it. Cowie Turbo. Not a bad looking bike. Another one of those Honda trophies. 450 Honda. XS 650. Pretty one too, man. Someone fully restored this bike. All the chrome's been redone and everything. Someone's got a lot of money in it. 400 Super Sport. They brought good money yesterday. Honda 900 RR. Factory exhaust too. Not bad. These bikes are bringing big money right now, man. I'd like to have this one. CBR 1100R. This is a nice bike right here. I wouldn't mind owning it. I would like to own this bike. I might have to sit on that one and try it out. Turbo Seiko. Seiko Turbo. The only problem was they were dry start turbos, so the turbos didn't last. Honda had the wet start turbo. It always had oil every time you started it, but these didn't. They had dry start turbos. Well, there's the Honda right there, CX. This I think sold yesterday. Oh, nope, another one. 95 it brought. Same, not bad. Oh, GPZ turbo. That's the one. This is the one you want. This is the best looking of the turbo bikes, I think. That and this. Suzuki. The XN. The XN was the coolest looking one, I think. Alright, I'm going to walk downstairs. Keep watching. What's happening, people? Ellie Nick. The Mecum Motorcycle Auction. All being sold. All being sold. Whatever bike you want, it's here. There's a lot of bikes, man. Try to get a better shot of these. And this is just one floor. There's a whole other floor upstairs. So I think there's over 2,000 bikes being sold. So, all right, guys, keep watching.